like minions. I'll let you play with this one.
Oh, I want it so bad.
Time is on.
That's easy. Let's draw contour first. Then legs, arms, hair, eyes, all of the details. Let's decorate it. Ooh, it's looking beautiful. I love adding these bright colors. Awesome. Now, time to use yellow color. Oh, it's not squeezing out. Oh, come on, I need at least a bit. Oops. What are you doing again?
What's the matter with you?
Sorry, I didn't mean to. Here's a napkin.
You have to be careful.
Let's continue. My yellow minion in blue pants is almost ready. Cool! What about you?